Welcome to MeeLearn-Chinese. Hello, my name is Rose Lee. I'm hosting a Chinese conversational lesson. In this lesson, you will learn how to use the word 为什么 to ask why questions. You will also learn how to use 这么 and 那么 to describe the degree of an adjective.
姐姐，为什么小鸟会飞？
因为小鸟有翅膀。
为什么小鱼会游泳？
因为小鱼有尾巴。
为什么大象的鼻子那么长？
因为大象要吃树叶。
为什么
你有这么多为什么？ Using 为什么 to ask why. The sentence structure is fairly easy. 为什么 plus subject plus verb plus object. Alternatively, you can put 为什么 after the subject. For example, to say this sentence, why can little birds fly? You can say 为什么小鸟会飞? Literally, why little birds can fly. You can also say 小鸟为什么会飞? Literally, little birds why can fly. Another example, to say this sentence, why can little fish swim? You can say 为什么小鱼会游泳? Literally, why little fish can swim. You can also say 小鱼为什么会游泳? Literally, little fish why can swim. To say why don't you eat? You can say 为什么你不吃饭? Or you can say 你为什么不吃饭? To say why don't you drink milk? You can say 为什么你不喝牛奶? Or you can say 你为什么不喝牛奶? Using 因为 for because. For example, 为什么小鸟会飞? Why can little birds fly? 因为小鸟有翅膀 because little birds have wings. 为什么小鱼会游泳? Why can little fish swim? 因为小鱼有尾巴 because little fish have tails. Using 这么那么 to emphasize the degree of an adjective. It's like a so in English. The sentence structure is like this. Subject plus 这么 or 那么 plus adjective. For example, 今天这么冷 Today is so cold. 昨天那么热 Yesterday was so hot. 姐姐为什么这么忙 Why is older sister so busy? 为什么爸爸吃饭那么快 Why does dad eat food so fast? 哥哥的中文那么好，为什么不去北京工作 Older brother's Chinese is so good. Why doesn't he work in Beijing? 你的英文那么好，谁是你的老师 Your English is so good. Who is your teacher? 为什么大象的鼻子这么长 Literally, why an elephant's nose so long? Why is an elephant's trunk so long? 因为大象要吃树叶 Literally, because elephants want to eat tree leaves. Because elephants have to eat leaves. You'll probably want to ask me, since 这么 is so, 那么 is also so, why do we bother to have two words? Good question. Most of the time, 这么 and 那么 are interchangeable. There is a subtle difference. When my friend is telling me, your Chinese is so good, because I'm right in front of her, she would say, 你的中文这么好 If we're talking about someone who is not in the conversation, we would say, 他的中文那么好 His Chinese is so good. Most of the time in life, 这么 and 那么 are mixed together, so you just need to remember they both mean so. Using 大 and 小 to describe big and small. For example, 我的蛋糕大，你的蛋糕小 My cake is big, your cake is small. 姐姐的房间大，哥哥的房间小 Older sister's room is big, older brother's room is small. Using 多 and 少 to describe many and less. For example, 我家人很多 There are many people in my family. 她的朋友很少 She has very few friends. 为什么你要吃这么多鸡蛋 Why do you want to eat so many eggs? 你喝水太少了 Literally, you drink water too little. You don't drink enough water. 为什么你有这么多为什么？ Why do you have so much whys? 为什么姐姐的钱很多，你的钱很少？ Why does older sister have so much money? Why do you have so little money? Now it's time to review. 小 little or small. 小鸟 little birds. 飞 to fly. 小鸟会飞 little birds can fly. 为什么 Why? 为什么小鸟会飞 Why can little birds fly? 因为 because. 翅膀 wings. 因为小鸟有翅膀 because little birds have wings. 小鱼 little fish. 游泳 to swim. 为什么小鱼会游泳 Why can little fish swim? 尾巴 tail. 因为小鱼有尾巴 because little fish have tails. 大象 elephant. 鼻子 nose. 长 long. 这么 so. 那么 so. 为什么大象的鼻子这么长 Why is an elephant's trunk so long? 树叶 leaves. 因为大象要吃树叶 because elephants have to eat leaves. 多 many. 少 less or little as in quantity. 这么多 so much. 那么少 so little as in quantity. 为什么你有这么多为什么 Why do you have so much whys? And it's time for a quarter tip. 10万个为什么 Literally 100,000 whys. It's a set of children's books in Chinese, and they are very popular in China. They are like the Chinese encyclopedia for kids. Pretty much all Chinese have heard or used these books in their lives. Have you heard about it? 10万个为什么 That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.